The article that you wanted to jump to real quick there, Apple ordering 5 times more OLED screens from LG to diversify iPhone supplies. This is something we've covered frequently, the fact that Apple is so tied to Samsung. Mm-hmm. Tied right up. In fact, so tied up that they had to pay them that giant penalty fee, if you recall.
Yeah, they bought too many OLED screens?
No, they had committed to buy more OLED screens than they eventually ended up needing, and they had to pay a penalty of close to $1 billion, I believe. Just a penalty. Just here you go. Sorry. Apology money. $950 million is the estimate on that. And it's just weird for them. Samsung, a big competitor for them. It's weird for them to be so dependent on Samsung for OLED tech, which is just such a significant piece of their business model. I mean, what is Apple without OLED at this point? You need it. You can't have these Pro models without OLED in there. We have no alternative. And Samsung just keeps knocking it out of the park, Grand Slam style, when it comes to OLEDs. You know what a Grand Slam is, Will? I'm not talking about the breakfast at Denny's.
Baseball.
Yeah, what happens in a Grand Slam? Break it down.
Is it when everyone's on base?
There you go.
And then the hitter gets a home run.
Look at you.
And then everyone
It's unbelievable. Willie Doo, he's all grown up.
Well,
He's breaking down the Grand Slam for you. What a word. I just love it. Grand Slam.
Yeah.
Whew, feels big. Feels important. Anyway, yeah, so Apple increasingly does not want to be too reliant on Samsung for obvious reasons, even though Samsung, they're sort of at the top of their game when it comes to OLED for mobile devices. I always wondered with LG because they've done so well with the larger format OLED displays. I'm like, when are these guys going to pick up the steam on the supplying the mobile OLED displays? Apparently, they're going to supply 5 times what they have in the past. Could be somewhere in the neighborhood of 20 million displays. Whereas this same report says that Samsung, the scale of the order could be around 55 million. So just to put in perspective of the piece that LG could take away. Now, ultimately, it appears, according to rumors, that Apple would love to move to some other supplier as well. Chinese supplier like BOE, is that the name? Yeah, BOE. But they of course, have cited in the past quality concerns. Samsung makes nice OLED displays, and if I'm spending $1,000 on a smartphone, I probably want a nice OLED display. Well, call me crazy. They already do. I mean, I don't think that's crazy at all. You want a nice OLED display. But LG stepping up the game, and they're going to take part in the construction, by the looks of it, of one of the most popular smartphones on planet Earth. So shout out LG. Well done. Hopefully they don't have the quality concerns. Hopefully they deliver on a promise. Hopefully these are beauty-looking displays. Everybody's happy.